Hey everyone, today we have a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. This is a magnetic putty, Happy Earth. And this is one of their new ones from 2023. It's the 3.2 ounce size, 90 grams. We haven't seen a magnetic in a while, so I'm really excited for this one. I really like the way the color looks here on the package. Looks like this kind of ocean blue almost, um, like a teal blue maybe. And let's look at the back of the package here. You got your Happy Earth. He's given the peace sign. He's good to go. But let's open this one up and we'll take a look. Of course, you know, these magnetic ones are always hard to open because the magnet's in there and it tends to, you know, make the lid stick a bit. Okay, there we go. Let's get this off. And that's the interesting thing about these magnetic putties is that the magnet's in there and it all tends to kind of, the putty kind of pulls up and, you know, sticks to the magnet in there, which makes it really easy to get out of here. But it's quite interesting because the other putties will lay completely flat. But let's get this one out. Take a look here. Okay. Oh, there's our magnet. It's a rainbow magnet. Okay. I really like that. That is really nice. Very nice. And just look at that magnet, that alone. Because usually the magnetics are, or the magnets are just kind of silver or gray. And that is a very pretty magnet. Okay, let's put that down there. Let's get a look at the putty here. So this is a really nice putty. Has a lot of sparkle to it actually for a magnetic putty. I really do like that. And then probably some of that sparkle is the magnetic pieces because this putty is magnetic. We'll test that out here in a bit. Has a little bit of grittiness to it. I would say as far as, you know, soft or firm, it's probably about a medium texture. Not too soft, not too firm. It looks a little bit darker than the package. Oh, my magnet got stuck to the, it works. But yeah, look at that. It looks a little bit darker. I do kind of wish it was maybe a little bit lighter. Because this is definitely darker. Let me pull this up here. Yeah, definitely a little bit darker than the package. I would have liked to maybe see it a little bit lighter, but it's still really pretty looking. I just love the sparkle in this. Very, very nice. But let's test out some of the magnetic ability here. Let's see how strong this one is. So there's the magnet. Okay, I mean, it's sticking already on the flat surface. Is it going to fall? I mean, it's holding pretty good. I mean, that's solid. That's pretty strong compared to some of the other older magnetic putties I have. I'm really happy that, you know, with a lot of the Crazy Aaron's putties, the newer ones from 2022, 2023, they really seem to have improved their formulas. I really am happy that they're iterating on the products in such a positive way. So let's test out some of this magnetic ability here. Are you going to lift up for me? Let's see. Well, we don't want the lid. We know that works. So that piece is kind of sticking there. Let's make it a little bit smaller and see. We're getting some movement out of it. Yeah, so this is about similar. There we go. We're getting kind of moving it around. Yeah, so I would say this is kind of similar to some of the other magnetic putties. When you're playing with small pieces like this, you know, it doesn't really move too much. You know, the smaller the piece, like, see, that's a very, very small piece, and that's moving really quickly. That's pretty fun to do, honestly. Like a little worm. There it goes. Yeah, that's fun. Definitely fun. You don't get a ton of movement out of the magnet or the magnetic property, but if you have like a large surface like this, it does hold. And I guess you need a good chunk of it, maybe. It does hold pretty good. And, you know, we're not going to demonstrate this for the sake of time, but even like if you were to sit the putty here like this, over time, it all kind of folds over the magnet. You can see a little bit starting to happen here. But I like this. I really love the color of this putty. I think this is a win. I really like that they added glitter into it. It definitely seems a little bit stronger than some of the other magnetic putties, so that's good. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate you getting a like on the video and subscribe for more videos in the future. But until then, that's it for today, and we'll see you guys again soon. Take care.